We're here in Collegetown Center to take a look at apartment 601. This is a south-facing rectangle studio apartment on the top floor of this 6th floor elevator building. So let's head on in. Our kitchen is on the right as we enter, so you can see there's our refrigerator. The dishwasher is under the sink. The sink does have a sprayer. You can see the assorted cabinets and a couple drawers, and the stove oven is at the end of the kitchen. I think in this particular apartment, you definitely have some room across from the kitchen to add a small narrow shelf or a small table of your own if you wanted to bring that in. Our next door that we'll go by is the closet. We'll take a look in there so you can see the storage space. So we've got some good storage space here within the unit. We'll go into the apartment and take a look at the bathroom. That's going to be over here on our left. It's the same bathroom that we've seen in the other units here in the building, so we have that standing tub shower with a sliding door. Your sink and vanity that does open for more storage underneath the toilet, and then over here on our left we can see there's that small cabinet on the wall, and there are some towel racks as well. As we go into the apartment, we will always have the same furnishing items. We'll have that dresser, bookshelf, desk and chair, dining table and chair, and a regular full-size bed. Let's go over and take a look out the window. You can see the air conditioning unit is there under the window. We're on the south side of the building, so we are away from the street. This is the brighter side of the building, and we'll have some great open views here. So you can see, because we're on the top floor, we've got some pretty expansive views. That's looking to the south. That's Ithaca College over that way. And you can see, if we tilt down a little bit, we can see the parking lot below us. That is the Upper Dryden parking lot, and also part of the College Avenue parking lot. So if you're parked on the back side of the building in one of these rented parking spaces, you'd have a pretty good view of your car from some of the spots. So that is a look at apartment 601. We're in a rectangle style studio apartment on the south side of the building, on the top floor of the 6th floor elevator building, located here at 151 Dryden Road, right in the heart of Collegetown, just one block from campus.